number you want, Daddy?
Of course! Number 60.
16, okay.
Because this is my birthday.
I
Okay.
got already 28, see.
Hello? Everybody home? Whoa!
How about for Daddy?
I have a
Bella, you got already your one, number 1. Oh, wow.
How about Bella?
Bella
choose
already. No, Bella got already one. Only one time, Daddy.
Choose one for
You
Baby
will
Liam.
count 7. Oh,
Choose
for
one for Baby Liam.
For Baby Liam. Get for Baby Liam.
What do you want?
What number?
Daddy, Mama, baby.
24? 24?
No, get 24 for Baby Liam.
24.
Because 24 is the smaller one.
You have 1 week again to get any number, huh? We will get a
Yay! A baby egg!
Wow, same with me. Give na to Baby Liam. Gusto niya ulit kumuha.